Welcome back, everyone. It's me. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 computer tips and tricks that I guarantee you will love. And don't forget, the first trick is the most useful one. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss it. Now let's get started. Alright, the first tip is how to use your smartphone's hotspot feature on your PC or laptop. Now this is super duper useful because you do have to depend on public Wi-Fi, which is not safe most of the time. Instead, you can use your phone's hotspot feature and share the internet connection. It's easy and simple. Just go to your phone's hotspot settings and turn it on. Then go to your PC or laptop. Click on the network icon in the taskbar. Click on the hotspot, and there you'll find your phone's name. Click on it, and you're connected. Super simple. Now you can browse the internet on your laptop or PC without any issues. The next tip is for those who love to listen to music or watch movies or videos on their PCs or laptops. Now most of us use headphones, but the problem is where do we put them once we're done using them? Well, you can actually use the headphone holder for this. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually use it as a headphone holder. All you need to do is place the metal part of the headphone on top of the speaker grill and voila, your headphones are now in place. Isn't that cool? Alright, the third tip is for those who love to play games on their PC. Now if you're a hardcore gamer, then I'm sure you must have invested in a good gaming mouse. Did you know you can actually customize it according to your needs? Well, you can actually change the sensitivity of your mouse. To do this, just right-click on the desktop and click on Mouse Settings. Then go to Additional Mouse Settings and then click on the pointer option. Here you can adjust the sensitivity of your mouse according to your liking, so you can have a personalized gaming experience every time you play a game on your PC. The fourth tip is for those who use Microsoft Word on their PC or laptop for writing documents, especially students. Now, if you're retyping a document or a project and your supervisor asks you to change the font style, what do? Well, you don't have to retype the whole thing. Instead, just select the text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. This will convert the normal text into bold text. If you want to remove the bold style from the text, just select it and press the same shortcut key. That is Ctrl plus Shift plus B, simple, isn't it? And the last tip is how to increase or decrease the volume of the system sound on your PC. Now this is really helpful, because sometimes the system sound is really annoying and loud, especially when you're working on something important. To control the system sound, just right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and click on the volume mixer. Here you'll find various applications and the volume of each application. Just find the Windows system sound here and drag the slider according to your needs. You can even mute it if you want. So these were some easy and simple yet useful tips and tricks for you guys. Hope you like these tips. If you do, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite one. And if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you soon.